Italian Bacon Sloppy Joes.
Italian Bagel Sloppy Joes.
Oh.
Mushrooms. We're going to cut up 2 zucchinis.
Now what are we going to chop up? I'm smashing up 1 package of bacon.
We're going to cook off this bacon. Go ahead, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. One cup of the panko breadcrumbs, a teaspoon and a half of garlic salt. 3 pounds of turkey.
Pick it up and put it in.
Pretty good. We're gonna get this turkey meat in here.
If I spill all of it, that would be not good.
Dump it in. I'm gonna stir it up. Work it into there. Two tablespoons of pizza seasoning. You're gonna put 2 cans of tomato sauce in. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar substitute. Okay. You're gonna put a scoop like this on every single bagel.
All I want to do right now is eat it. You know I'm just going to eat the cheese. Some of the cheese, you know it.
Food cheers.
I'm going to bed. I'm going to eat on your bed.
You're so bizarre sometimes. What do you give it? I'm giving it 10 fingers up. I think it's so good.
1 million.
1 million fingers up?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.